During my cabin check, I noticed that the window light was only working at 50% capacity. That means that we have to replace it. First, let me remove power from the aircraft so we can safely work on the window light system. Next, I will loosen the connectors. Sometimes you have to remove 3 of those lights covers to gain access to the connectors. And loosen the other side connectors as well. Remove the window light assembly. Here is the new window light assembly. Let's unpack it. Now we put the connector covers on the unserviceable assembly. When we cover up the connectors of the unserviceable window light, let me tell you something about the window light. The window lights on a Boeing 737 MAX are LED lights. The window lights are connected in series. This means that if one light in the chain is inoperative, it may not change color or intensity. Now we have installed all the connector covers and we can install the new window light unit. Reconnecting the connectors. Put the assembly into the clips that hold the window light in place. Reinstalling the covers. After installation, we need to install software into the LED unit, so that the light is programmed with the pre-programmed lighting scenes. As you can see, all the window lights turn green. This means that the software installation is satisfactory. The window light is working again.